Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use Find My iPhone with family or friends. Using Find My iPhone with family or friends can be incredibly helpful for locating lost devices or checking in on each other's location. So, firstly, go to the settings, tap on privacy and security, then tap on location services and make sure that the location services is enabled. Then tap on the Find My and also make sure that your Find My iPhone is toggled on. Once done, simply go to the Find My app. Now, once inside Find My, simply tap on the Start Sharing and tap on the Continue option available there. Tap on the Allow. Now, here all you have to do is tap on the Start Sharing Location option available there. Now, enter the contact name of your friends or family to share your location. Now here I entered the contact email that is saved on my phone, and now all you have to do is tap on the send or done option available in the top right corner of your screen to send them your find my location. Then also tap on the share how long you want to share your location to. Here I did is share indefinitely until and unless I change it. Now tap on the OK and they will be able to see your location. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.